Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel for another cleaning video. For those of you who are new, welcome. I'm so happy that you're here. My name is Cheyenne. I'm a stay-at-home mom of 4 children and 3 dogs. We currently live in eastern New Mexico, and we just recently bought this house in March, so this house is still new for us. And also I wanted to say, if this is your first video, I do hope you consider subscribing to my channel. It's free for you, and it absolutely tells YouTube that you are enjoying my content. And also don't forget to hit the thumbs up button if you like today's video.
Why couldn't I simply see that I was sick at heart and I am in deep debt? The climb we did was unreal. You made me so speechless. I just can't believe it. You broke the coldness somehow and lit up a flame. Ooh, I was my own enemy. Screamed out loud because it felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the stone on my own. But you came around and removed the thorn in my soul. You guided me out of the storm. I found home in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold. I rise from the ashes with pins and patches. We carry on. I rise from the ashes. I heal from your passion. My doubts are gone.
So for those of you who are new to my channel, welcome. I'm so glad that you're here, and if you haven't yet, I hope you consider subscribing. Like I said earlier, it is free for you. And for those of you who follow me over on Instagram, if you do not, I'll put my Instagram name down below. But some of you may know that we have COVID in our house, and after however many years COVID's been around, I finally got COVID. It finally caught up to me, and not too thrilled about that, obviously. Like, who wants to get COVID? So, but anyways, if you guys have any questions about that, feel free to ask me in the comments below. And this video was pre-filmed, just an FYI. I'm not running around cleaning when I'm being sick. Like, I've literally been on the couch since Tuesday. This video will probably go out Monday the 17th. But I've been on the couch since Tuesday, or I've been in the bed. You know, I'm on day 6, and I'm actually feeling so much better than I was. So I'm so thankful for that. And I thank you guys so much for all your well wishes and messages sent to me. I really appreciate it. Of course, I'm not out of the woods yet. My daughter has no symptoms. I think that her symptoms were very, very, very mild, and they were like a week back. So we're not too worried about her. She's got no fever, no cough, anything like that. But my symptoms actually started with a very terrible headache, and I had a headache for a straight 3 days, and it finally subsided on day 4, I believe. So anyways, yes, if you have any questions, definitely don't hesitate to ask in the description box. I'm going to do too much talking here in today's video because my voice sounds like crap. So anyways, enjoy the music and enjoy today's video.
Felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the stone on my own. But you came around and removed the thorn in my soul. You guided me out of the storm. I found home in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold.
even make sense why I think about you. It was only one night, only that time, and it's not my style to be caught up in the middle like this. 'Cause now I dream about you. I was probably too drunk, it's blurry, but I've got the image of you running circles in my mind right now. And it could fade away, but it probably won't, and I should let it be. But I'm gonna dive into you, and maybe I'll drown, but what can I do? And it would be alright to let me down. Rather we try than let these feelings slide. So I'm gonna dive into you.
It doesn't even make sense why we try to fight it. Every time that we touch, the room caught on fire. We could blame it on the wine, but we know that we will both be lying. I wish I didn't want you. I was doing just fine, the way that it was. Then you hand me these emotions, didn't want them, but I guess that I'm stuck with them. They could go away, but I know they won't, and I should let it be. But I'm gonna dive into you, and maybe I'll drown, but what can I do? And it will be alright to let me down. I'd rather we try than let these feelings slide. So I'm gonna dive into you, dive into you, dive into you, dive into you, dive into you. Yeah, I'm gonna dive into you.
It doesn't even make sense why I think about you. It was only one night, only that time, and it's not my style to be caught up in the middle like this.
But I'm gonna dive